Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, the canine chef in training, here to show you how to make another drool-worthy human treat. This is Mom's Shepherd's Pie. So this recipe calls for 4 medium potatoes peeled, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 to 2 pounds of ground beef, salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons of basil, shredded cheddar cheese, Pillsbury dough pie crust, and cooking spray. Peel 4 medium potatoes, slice them up, place them in a pot, then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 2 cups of chicken broth. Turn on medium heat and boil until the potatoes are tender. Then put 1 to 2 pounds of ground beef in a frying pan and cook until done. Spray a pie plate with cooking spray. Check the potatoes to see if they are done. If there is too much broth remaining in the potatoes, drain some out. There should be maybe 1/4 to 1/2 cup of broth remaining in the pot. Then you want to add your salt, pepper, and basil and 5 tablespoons of butter to the potatoes and then mash. You don't want your potatoes to be too creamy. They need to be somewhat thick. Take a Pillsbury pie crust dough and line the pie plate. Pour the cooked beef into the pie shell. We overcooked ours a little. Then you want to top the beef with a layer of cheese. Then add your potatoes on top of the cheese. See how thick the potatoes are? You don't want them to be too creamy because the pie would be runny. So you want to spread the thick potatoes out across the entire pie, and then you want to add more cheese on the top. Cook on 375 degrees for 20 minutes or until the pie crust is golden brown. Serve warm. Slice it up just like you would a pie. Dad said this stuff was definitely drool worthy. I guess so. He didn't even leave anything on the plate for me to lick. So there you have it, Mom's Shepherd's Pie. My aunt said we needed to have the easy recipes all together for the culinary challenged. Yes, that would be her. So we created a new playlist for the culinary challenged. And we are adding recipes that don't take a lot of time to that playlist for my aunt and anyone else that considers themselves culinary challenged. Mom considers this an easy recipe, but some people may find peeling potatoes and boiling them to be challenging. So for those of you that do not want to have to go that route, you can make this recipe by using your favorite instant potatoes. Just make sure when you make your instant potatoes, don't use as much milk or water as it calls for. You want them to be a little thicker, so if you have them too creamy or too thin, it's going to be runny. You can also substitute canned chicken for the ground beef if you prefer. You just drain the chicken and add it to the pie crust first like you would the beef, and then add your cheese and then your instant mashed potatoes and more cheese. Also, if you think Pillsbury pie crust is too difficult, you can buy a frozen pie crust to use instead. Super easy, although real potatoes with chicken broth taste a lot better than instant potatoes. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to check out my Facebook page where I post updates on my surgery recovery. Until next time, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands, and say your prayers. Bye for now.